Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer and withdraw money from Cash App to your LSSC account, step by step. This method uses cryptocurrency, so you don't need a traditional bank transfer. By the way, later I'll show you guys the best way for even complete beginners to buy, sell, store, and exchange crypto. You don't want to miss that, so watch this video to the end. First, open your LSSC app on your phone and log in. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon. From there, select the recharge option. You'll now see a list of available cryptocurrencies you can use, such as Bitcoin, USDT, TRC, Ethereum, and others. Choose the cryptocurrency that works best for you. In this example, we'll select Bitcoin. After selecting Bitcoin, enter the amount you want to add to your LSSC account. Once you enter the amount, LSSC will generate a wallet address for that transaction. Carefully copy this wallet address, as you'll need it in the next step. Now, open the Cash App on your phone. From the Cash App home screen, tap on the Bitcoin icon. Next, select the Withdraw Bitcoin option. Enter the same amount of Bitcoin you want to send to your LSSC account. When prompted for the destination, paste the wallet address you copied from the LSSC app. After that, choose your preferred transaction speed, such as standard or fast. Keep in mind that faster speeds usually come with higher network fees. Once everything looks correct, tap Confirm, then enter your Cash App PIN or use biometric authentication to complete the transaction. That's it. Your Bitcoin will be sent from Cash App to your LSSC account, and once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the funds will appear in your LSSC balance. As promised, if you're looking for the easiest way to buy, sell, store, and swap crypto, I recommend checking out Rock Wallet. It's a super cool app that lets you stay in complete control of your crypto, since it's non-custodial. Even if you've never bought any kind of cryptocurrency before, and you're not tech-savvy at all, Rock Wallet will walk you through it, step by step. You can install the app for free, using the link in the description below. If you would like help installing Rock Wallet and creating your account, click the video showing up on your screen. It's a detailed tutorial walking you through the exact steps to setting up and using Rock Wallet.